ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ USA TV 84 ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜਕਨਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ। ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਸ਼ਿੰਗਟਨ DC ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਹੁਣੇ 1984 ਦੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਸੈਨੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਹੋਈ ਆ। ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਾਂਗਰਸਮੈਨ ਪੈਟ ਮੀਹਨ ਜੁੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ। ਕਾਂਗਰਸਮੈਨ, today was a historic day. For the first time in 250 years of American history, first time Sikh ardas was done in Senate. What are your initial thoughts on it?
Well, I think it's particularly important that it's on a day like June 4th, which has significance to the Sikh community around the world, and to be done during the 250th anniversary of the American independence. And so there was a thought that this combination would be a remarkable way to signify the presence and significance of the Sikh diaspora here in the United States, and to recognize the continuing battle for religious freedom and recognition around the world. To have that prayer on a day like this said in the United States Senate is a real privilege, and it was a fun thing to be part of.
It ended with Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh, means victory to God. In God we trust. American Foundation, religious freedom. How do you reconcile, how do you see when you know about there is transnational repression happening against Sikh Americans? How do you see that? Where do you want America to lead Sikh Americans?
Well, I think that's why we're here in Capitol Hill today. One of the real important things to do is to educate the members of Congress, both in the House and the United States Senate, about issues relating to the experiences of Sikhs, not just across the world, but even here in the United States. This, the continuing concern about the ability to practice religion freely, which was one of the inspiring reasons why the United States was found in the first place, and to respect that call for religious freedom globally. We have senators and members of Congress who travel the world on a regular basis, and we need to educate them on the experiences of the Sikh community, both in Punjab and their diaspora here in the United States.
When we were inside, they especially honored you, turbanless Sikh. You said that they said that you opened so many doors for Sikhs in these corridors. How do you see your relation with Sikhs?
Well, it started when I was a federal prosecutor. I was the United States attorney on days after September 11th in 2001, when we faced the first significant attack of such scope of terrorism here in the United States. And in the immediate aftermath, everybody started to point fingers. And among the people who were caught in the middle of that were Sikhs. It was a complete misunderstanding of just what a Sikh is, and the relationship to the culture and the religion. And a big part of what we did was to begin the education of other Americans about what Sikhism means, the significant presence here in the United States. And I came from a district with a very large Sikh population, so I knew them as my neighbors. And it was a privilege to begin to engage in that. When I came to the United States Congress, we continued that friendship. We started the Sikh caucus here, and it's grown to a presence in which we've got literally scores of members that have joined the Congressional Sikh caucus and continue to fight for issues important to them.
During the foundation of the American Sikh caucus, I heard there was a pushback from India. Why do you think was that?
Well, there is, and it continues to this day. I imagine that they see things differently than the Sikhs, and it is important to educate the folks here. Look, India has a big voice in Congress. It's a powerful nation that pivots between their own local interests and their role globally, and that has a big effect on the United States. And so when we talk to our members, they appreciate and need to recognize the role of India, but they also need to appreciate and recognize how many Sikh Americans are in their districts. They are citizens of the United States. Their family and friends continue to both experience challenges with religious freedom and particularly with respect to India.
Yeah, that's why uh, that's why they have put it under their special consideration by the USCIRF. Thank you very much, Congressman. Thank you for your thoughts and thank you for your relation with the Sikhs.
Thank you for being with us here today. Okay, take care.